Hi guys, it's Dream, and today I'm going to show you how to use the time stretch feature on Funimate. So this is the clip that I have right now, which is one of my templates, and I'm going to tap my group. So I grouped everything in one big group, just like this. So now I have only this group. Now, what time stretch is, it's actually a way to scale your images or your transitions, but at the same time, move the keyframes too. So the transition basically gets faster or slower by using time stretch. So if you make your transition like really fast, for example, but you actually want it to be slow, you can use time stretch to make the transition slower. So this is the original speed of my transition. Now I'm gonna select the layer and select time stretch. Now you have two buttons on the screen. You have set layer start and set layer end. Now let's say I want to make the transition faster, so I'm gonna go around here, and if I want it to end here, I'm gonna set the layer end here. So I'm just gonna tap the second button, and as you can see, it's done. Now all of our keyframes are moved and the transition is faster. So you can see everything is kept the same, but the transition is faster. Now if I want to make it slow again, I'm gonna go after it ends, and I'm gonna set the end layer here. And as you can see, now it's back to the original slow transition. This is a very fun and quick way to experiment with your transitions and make them faster or slower to see how they look. So we can set it back. We can make it really fast, just like this. Or we can make it really slow, like this. And this is time stretch. It's really nice to use when you make mistakes and when you do something bad, like time the transition bad. It's really useful. This feature is going to help you a lot to move around Funimate and make your edits perfect on the beat.